और क्यों इस तरह से तोड़ा।
Well, in breaking updates after yesterday's meeting where government accepted two demands of the CJP, today again, there's a key meeting between the government and the Cockroach Janata Party which is scheduled to take place at 3:30 p.m. The meeting is set to take place at the Constitution Club with Union Minister JP Nadda and Jitendra Singh representing the government. It is a crucial meeting as the government is expected to convey its decision on the CJP's demand for the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Arzu continues to be with us in the broadcast. Arzu, like I said, you've been tracking everything from the ground. There are, of course, demands that have been made. One which the CJP is very pertinently pointing towards is the resignation of the education minister. There is a meeting that is set to take place at 3:30 p.m. today. What do you anticipate? What are our sources telling us on that front?
Well, Sabri, this is the third round of meeting that is going to take place today at the, common venue that is Constitutional Club. And in fact, yesterday also there was a letter that was handed over to the government, including the demands that the CJP has put forward. And in that demand, the government was positive on the two requests or the two demands that the CJP has made. But there was one demand for which the government have asked for time, and today at 3:30 p.m. the meeting will again take place between the Cockroach Janata Party and the government. From the government side, JP Nadda, Union Minister, and Jitendra Singh will be present, and from the Cockroach Janata Party, Saurabh Das and Ashutosh Ranka will be present representing the Cockroach Janata Party. So this remains to be seen because the response, what we're getting to know from our sources, that government doesn't seem positive on the demand that the Cockroach Janata Party is doing, that is the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan, Education Minister. They are adamant regarding that, and they're saying that they will not accept anything less than the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. Apart from that, all those demands which was put forward by the Cockroach Janata Party, whether it was compensation to the NEET students who have done suicide because of the paper leak and the pressure that they have gone through, the 1 crore compensation for that, the government seems positive for that. Even the return assurance was given to Sonam Wangchuk. Apart from that, there was a demand of no FIR will be launched against those who were, who were the part of the Sansad Chalo March. So this was one of the demands, and the other was the resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. So that's the main point where the talks remain incomplete. And today is also a very crucial round of meeting, the third round of meeting that will take place between the government and the Cockroach Janata Party. So we need to see what decision the government.
Okay, absolutely. Arzu, we'll come back to you. We have some breaking news coming in.